Yo, what's going on with y'all, man? West Coast Battle Media. We here. We got the King Shy Dog with us, man. What's going on with you, man?
So we got our first confirmation that 2-1.
Feeling 2-1 on your battle?
Yeah, that's what I feel too. But that nigga went crazy in the third. I was liking that nigga shit.
I heard that, man.
Quick to that punch.
I wish he wouldn't have fucked up in the second.
Yeah.
So how you feeling, man? Your first battle back to Smack, man. How you feeling overall?
You know how when your mama finally let you back in the house, like you promised her you ain't gonna be sending bitches through the window no more. She like, look, you gonna have to get the job, but you can come home. I'm back, nigga. I'm going nowhere. I want matches, man. That's where you get them at.
I heard that. So recently, man, you had your battle drop versus Daylight, man. Bizzle Bar Fest. You know what I'm saying? How you feeling about that battle?
I didn't even get to watch it all the way yet. I was like on the way here and shit on the freeway, so I couldn't vibe with it yet. But I can't wait to see that motherfucker, man. It was like, shit, what, 6 months down the line, we actually got it done. Then, you know, I ain't been able to see it yet, but I saw some clips. The quality is great. Shout out Brian Devon Watt, man. That nigga is great with that camera, bro. Everybody involved with that shit. Shout out Daylight too, man. You know what I'm saying? He came and made that motherfucker a battle.
I heard that, man. So what's next for you in 2019, man? You started off on URL with the PG, man. Where we gonna see you at next?
Me and Saint next.
Saint?
The boss with the young boy, you know what I'm saying? See if them people at KLTD start paying attention to the nigga now.
I heard that, man.
I'm still moving around. I'm going out. I still wanna hit We Go Hard this year, sometime this year. Definitely want to stay doing these. I'm trying to get deep. I'm trying to see me on traffic. They waiting to see me on traffic. They want me on traffic with somebody with some weight. That's what they want.
I heard that. Well, go ahead and sign us out real quick, man. Go ahead and sign us out, King.
Oh shit, man. Shy Dog, man. All my dreadnoughts, Bar Polo. You see me? You feel me? Shout out West Coast Media, you know what I'm saying? West Coast Battle Media, you know what I'm saying? My nigga Nico Herb. West.